Come down to the Black Sea, swimming with me. Oh. Go down with me, fall with me, let's make it worth it. Oh. 1,000 nights have passed. Change doesn't happen overnight. Not visible at first. It's important to hold on, hold on. Ooh, inject your advice to me. Ooh, incinerate our shackles. Come down to the Black Sea, swimming with me. Go down with me, fall with me, let's make it worth it. You rise, I fall, I stand, you crawl, you twist, I turn. Who's the first to burn? You sit and stay, I don't obey. Where do we land? In the Black Sea. In the Black Sea. Where do we land? In the Black Sea.
So Ate, I wish you the best of health. Continue to strive to get your dreams and achieve them. So I love you, that's all.
Kung titingnan kasi tayo yung complete opposites. Ako yung sakitin, ikaw yung medyo healthy. Pengi ng mic, pengi.
Sana matupad lahat ng pangarap mo. Huwag kang magbabago. Lagi kang saan. I love you.
Higit mong asahan at panghawakan yung paghawak mo sa tungkulin at yung pag-ibig mo sa Panginoong Diyos. Siya yung higit na makakatulong sa iyo. Kami lahat ay limitado yung matutulong namin sa iyo, pero siya yung makakatulong sa iyo ng higit sa amin. Happy birthday, anak. I love you.
Kung ano man yung gusto nilang tahakin sa buhay, nandito lang kami ng daddy nila, susuporta sa kanila at forever na magmamahal.
Happy birthday, I love you. Basta tandaan mo na kahit,
Love you too.
na kahit matanda na tayo, ako pa rin ang ate mo.